What is the first U.S. designated viticultural area? Was it Napa Valley, California, Augusta, Missouri, Finger Lakes, New York, or Hill Country, Texas?
Okay, everyone choosing Augusta, Missouri as their answer.
Great job. Augusta, Missouri is the correct answer. And kind of wanted to bring this out to just, focus on the fact that while we all like to think about California and New York, and actually, we just had a wonderful article about Hill Country in our latest newsletter and I believe Instagram post. Missouri is the first viticultural area, and you can always learn more about American wine with our new American Wine Expert program.
Yay!
All right, so this is an open-ended question. What are the primary grapes used to make cava?
Okay, a lot of people putting in Macabeo, Zorello, and Paralata as their answers.
Excellent job. And I would also even take Chardonnay. These are the primary grapes used to make cava, and you are seeing a lot more Chardonnay being used nowadays. So that's why I would definitely take Chardonnay also.